Hello everyone, my name is Princey and today we will be learning a new Microsoft Excel trick. So let's first understand the problem and then we will work out the solution. So here we have the product-wise sales in each region, and here you can see there are certain blanks in between the data range, and our objective is to enter 0 wherever there are blanks. One way to do so is by doing it manually, like going to each cell, typing 0, 0 like this, but it will consume a lot of time if you have large data. So how to do it quickly in just a few clicks? First, select the range, press Ctrl Z, click on special, select blanks and click on OK. Now you can see that all the blank cells have been selected altogether. Now we will enter 0 and we will not press enter. Instead, we will press Ctrl plus enter like this and it will be entered in all the blank cells. We can even color these selected cells. Like suppose you want to color the blank cells as say gray, so you can do that. If you want to enter any text, let's say you want to say any and then you want to write any text, so that is fine like this. You can one more way to go to this option is, let's say, let's select the range. One another way to go to this option is go to home tab. In home tab, in the editing group, click on find and select, and in the drop down you will directly find go to special, click on that, select blanks, click OK, and all blank cells will be selected. Here you can color them, maybe enter. Just remember to press Ctrl plus enter. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and colleagues. Also, do give your feedback in the comments section so that I can improve myself, and it will also motivate me to make more such videos.